This is for you. This is where we, as your mayor, as your vice mayor, and members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, Mayle Atienza, Fa Pogoso, Karen Alibarbar, Tol Sarkal, Jeff Lau, are doing our best. Itabi yung political indifferences, but magsama-sama para makaisip ng programang pakikinabangan nyo pansamantala, pakikinabangan nyo kalaunan, at pakikinabangan ninyo panghabang buhay. Yan gagawin namin para sa inyo.